Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install app that allows you to put your files into RAR and zip archives or extract them in Motorola Moto X40. And to do this, first thing is to download the RAR app in Google Play Store. It's RAR. Install it, then open the app. Inside, allow to access and manage all files. Go back, allow to send notifications, and dismiss this one. From here you can start using this app, and if you need help with it, you can check our next videos on how to pack or extract those files. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.